How to earn money by typing CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA typing job is one of the best online work-from-home data entry jobs for young undergraduate students, stay-at-homes, retirees and other people who want to earn some extra cash from the comfort of their homes without investment. However, finding a genuine CAPTCHA job site could be a daunting task, especially if you are a newcomer. Most of these job sites are fake and just don't pay any money. For registration, they will ask you to pay an upfront fee. Once you have paid the fee, they will vanish in thin air. You have to be extra cautious while searching CAPTCHA typing job sites online. But in this video I have already make work easy. I search for 9 legit site that can pay you just by typing CAPTCHA, and I have put link of each site in description. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. What is CAPTCHA? But before we dive into the job sites, you need to know what CAPTCHA is. CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. In simpler words, CAPTCHA differentiates human beings from automated bots. CAPTCHA helps people to block or restrict bots from either accessing a website or posting spam comments. It is a very cheap but effective technology that prevents scammers from entering a website. Now I will show you 9 best online CAPTCHA typing job sites where you can make $500 per month easily. Registration is free. Let's dive in. 1. 2 CAPTCHA. One of the most popular CAPTCHA job sites is 2 CAPTCHA. What I liked about the site is its loading speed. The time taken between loading 2 CAPTCHAs is less than 8 seconds. The site loads images very fast. You can type and earn $1.20 for every 1,000 CAPTCHAs you solve. Members can make extra money through their referral program. You also get bonus images that are complicated to solve, but you get a chance to earn slightly more. You have just 8 seconds to enter a character in the text box. So be fast while solving CAPTCHAs. The threshold payout amount is $3 via PayPal, $1 for Payza and $1 for Bitcoin. In India, you get paid only via PayPal. 2. ProTypers. This is a conglomerate of different data entry work providers. It is an umbrella under which other data entry job sites operate. At ProTypers, newcomers are paid $4.50 for solving per 1,000 images. But as workers gain experience and solve more CAPTCHAs, their rate increases to $1.50 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs. Payment options offered by ProTypers are very diverse, from PayPal to checks to debit cards. The minimum payment amount is $100 via Western Union and $3 for all other payment options. 3. MegaTypers. As far as design and user interface are concerned, MegaTypers is quite similar to ProTypers. With MegaTypers you earn credits for each CAPTCHA you solve. The more you solve, the more you earn credits. Later you can exchange these credits for real dollars. Beginners can earn $1 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs and experienced members can make up to $1.50. If you visit their site, then you will learn some members are earning around $100 to $250 per month. The threshold payment amount offered by MegaTypers is $100 via Western Union and $3 for all other options. When it comes to providing CAPTCHA typing jobs, MegaTypers is known for its authenticity. 4. Kolotibablo. At Kolotibablo, members are paid depending upon the level they have reached. For new members, it is 35 cents per 1,000 CAPTCHA, but for more experienced $1 per 1,000, but in some cases, members can earn up to $2. According to my sources, for the last 2 years, Kolotibablo has been paying timely to their members. If you check their payment options, then you will find members are earning up to $200 per month. Their rating system allows you to improve your performance by overcoming certain weaknesses like accuracy and speed. The threshold payment via PayPal is $5, and for other withdrawal options, it is $1. 5. CAPTCHA 2 Cache. Those who want to do daily CAPTCHA work with CAPTCHA 2 Cache have to first download their typing software and then install it on their computers. After logging into their website, members will receive a free tutorial explaining how they can use the website. The site will be very easy to use once you have read the tutorial completely. As far as their rates are concerned, Captcha 2 Cash pays $1 per 1000 Captcha images you solve. They pay you via Perfect Money and Payza. 6. Captcha Typers. This offers flexible working hours to its members. Normally a member can earn between 8 cents and $1.50 per 1000 Captcha images. But what do flexible working hours mean? Well, it means what time of the day you choose to work. If you are working from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. then you earn at the rate of $8/1000 Captchas, but if you choose to work from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. then you make $1.50 and the minimum threshold payment amount is $2 via PayPal. 7. Qlinkgroup. You have to download the typing software first, install it and then sign up with the site. Qlinkgroup is a very authentic Captcha job site as it does not charge any money from its member. They give access to the admin panel for free. So don't get scammed by other fake sites impersonating Qlinkgroup. One of the salient features of Qlinkgroup is their 2 words case-sensitive Captcha service. You get paid through PayPal and Payza. Qlinkgroup also offers a weekly payment option. 8. FastTypers. This rewards their workers really well, especially those who are willing to go the extra mile. FastTypers pays a higher amount to its workers who are willing to work between 12 a.m. and 5 a.m. Workers get a chance to earn more on this platform than others mentioned in the list. For solving per 1000 Captcha images you earn up to $2. Your accuracy must be above 85%. FastTypers pays you via PayPal, Perfect Money, etc. However, to join the site you have to submit your photo ID and copies of utility bills. 9. Virtual Bee. This is the one of the oldest and easy Captcha typing job websites, launched 20 years ago in 2001. Other than Captcha jobs, they also provide other data entry jobs like translation jobs, typing jobs and internet search. Virtual Bee pays less than $1 for solving every 1000 Captcha images. In my opinion, the website does not offer a good payment plan as compared with other job sites mentioned in the list. Moreover, to be able to get Captcha solving work from Virtual Bee you have to clear their evaluation test, 0 to 100, first. The payment option is available only via PayPal. Finally, these were the 9 best online Captcha typing jobs available to people living in the United States of America and elsewhere. Although Captcha jobs are more popular in third world countries, but people living in North America can also try. It won't make you rich but can definitely help you to pay your phone and internet bills working part-time. It doesn't take much to get started. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.